Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Manny,
Hey, what's up? My name is Jazim.
and we're here excited to make the hummus. So come with us as we pick up the ingredients.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we're here at Vaughn's. We'll keep you updated. Little bit of garlic, 1 onion. Luis joined us.
What?
Olive oil, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, ground cumin, paprika, crushed red peppers, a little bit of parsley, 1 lemon juice. Last but not least, garbanzo beans. And now we pay for everything. All right, looks like a success. All right, today's workplace. Beans. All right, after they boil, garbanzo beans are ready. All right, now we strain it after it cools off a little. Next, a little bit of the parsley.
Mixing the Greek yogurt with the olive oil, dumping it in, mixing it all together, and then we dump the garbanzo beans in with the onion and garlic, get that blended up, then we pour it in our bowl with all the hummus, and then we get that going, and then afterwards we're just going to season it all together so it keeps one common flavor. Now time for a little taste test.
All right.
Amazing. Very good.